Hey guys, just wanted to give a little update. Showed you a while back that I have my absolute favorite truck tires installed on our F350 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. I've had them for quite a few miles. I actually run around on them quite a bit before I shot that video. But like I said, they are my absolute favorite truck tire. But any of you guys that know anything about these Super Duties, they tend to wear the front tires a little unevenly. So the outside's been wearing a little bit more than the inside. So that means it's time to bring it in and do a rotation. So since we get our tires from Discount Tire and have them installed by Discount Tire, bring them back to Discount Tire to do the rotation. But that's also going to give us a chance, while we got it jacked up here, to give the front tires the little wobble test here, just to see if everything is good and tight in the front end, and it does seem like it is. Ball joints are good. The truck has 69,000 miles on it, so you would expect it to have a little bit of play in the front end, but it really doesn't on this side. Let's check out the other side here. Give her the wobble test and let's see if she ball joints feel good.
Oh yeah.
Not bad for stock. But yeah, we'll rotate them around, and that's just the way these trucks are set up. They wear the fronts a little bit more, but no big deal. Just rotate them to the back. That way you get long life out of your tires. These guys here at Discount Tire North Myrtle Beach don't mess around. One group working on each side. Oh, good time to check the brakes too. Looks like we got like 4 guys working on this thing. Not exactly a lightweight setup, are they? Check out the back brakes. Looking decent. As you can see, I like to slather the studs with anti-seize. That way, whenever you blow out a tire on the side of the road, which luckily I've never done with a Nitto, although I have done it twice in this truck with other brand tires, they come off easier. Because nobody wants to be stuck on the side of 95 trying to knock a tire off. I want these lug nuts to come off easily. And the brakes look decent on this side too. Not bad. Like I said, good opportunity. Hop in here, check out all your suspension components. We definitely need to replace these shocks. And you can see our S&B cab mounts still holding up strong. The jack makes things a little bit easier, doesn't it?
Oh my lord, man. You ain't messing my back up. It's too late actually.
And just so you guys know, not all balance machines are created equal. You can see this is a road force balance, gives you a much better balance on your tire than the old school style machines.
Road force on them is real minimal too.
There we go. So that shows you guys why I wanted to go ahead and get them rebalanced while you're getting them rotated. Just costs a few bucks. But the big difference is, you see these things needed an ounce here, an ounce there. These big tires, as they wear more, especially like these, you can see these wear on the front, and they're starting to cup just a little bit on this outside edge. That's going to throw off your balance, and we're starting to get some funky driving characteristics. So you get a little vibration in the steering wheel and things like that. You just bring them out here, get them rebalanced, and you don't have to deal with that anymore. Should be good to go for another 10, 15,000 miles. So just have to keep an eye on these fronts and see how they're wearing. But anytime you start noticing any odd pattern across the tread, just bring them in, get them balanced, rotated, make your tires last a lot longer. I have to say that my experience at the North Myrtle Beach Discount Tire Store was great. The staff was extremely professional and the facility was extraordinarily clean. I have no doubt that the routine maintenance they perform to my Super Duty will keep my Nitto Ridge Grapplers wearing evenly for many miles to come. So I'll leave you with a shot of them putting in a little bit of work on a South Carolina back road. And if you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button, we'd really appreciate it. And as always, head over to svtperformance.com to check out the latest news, reviews, and information on your favorite Ford-powered vehicles.